It goes to issues in the Gullah Geechee Nation. Most times when people come to the Gullah Geechee Nation, they only come to where they've been marketed to. So Charleston is a big place that's marketed everywhere. Savannah is marketed everywhere. Myrtle Beach is marketed everywhere. And they come to just those places, or even the city of Beaufort, because they see the historical photos, they see the carriage tour, they see the moss hanging from the tree, they see all of that. But then when they get to the city of Charleston, for instance, there are young children who live in the peninsula of Charleston, but quote, on the other side of town, north of the Broad, as they call it, instead of south of the Broad. And they make these roses from the palmetto trees, and they sell these beautiful, fabulous, artistic, traditional Gullah Geechee palmetto roses in the street. But do you know that there was a move by the city to say, well, we need to stop that? People were coming complaining to the city council saying we need to stop it because the tourists are afraid of these children, because the children weren't dressed up, they weren't costumed or anything. The children live, a lot of them, in the projects that are in the city of Charleston.
Because they weren't entertainment?
They weren't entertainment. They was real Gullah Geechee churn, just to clean out for try to get a little bit of money and things like that for new school clothes and things. So the children, they're kids, but they're creative. So they come out, their mom and those, they live in the projects, or they live in a small house, and they don't have a lot of money. So they feel like, well, let me help out. If I can make these roses, and mama, I can make me 100 roses, and I can come back home with $500. As I can sell each rose for $5. It's like, okay, would you rather them sell these roses, or would you rather them be trying to sell crack cocaine? You see? So the thing is, why would you discourage some people who are lifting themselves up out of poverty? The thing is, because the tourists might see them. And if the tourists see them, the tourists might find out everything in the city isn't as pretty as we make it out to be in the brochures. Everything here in India is not the Taj Mahal, you see? And so that's why it's so important that we do have iconoclasts in the world. It is so vital, and that's why I wanted to start off with that word. Because like I said, it's not a word that we see every day. It's not a word that's used all the time. And when you hear someone just say, I'm a photographer, well, hey, everybody nowadays with a point and click camera says, I'm a photographer, right? But there's a different thing when you have someone who says, but I'm looking through this lens a different way because I'm looking from my heart. I'm not just looking through this glass here on this camera. And so we definitely salute you for being an iconoclast and putting it out there on the internet to say this is who I am. And then taking it in your life to live it. Because it's one thing to use a word, it's another thing to live that word. Definitely. So we appreciate you coming here. The Gullah Geechee going on.
Well, thank you for having me.
Thank you for joining me. And we so glad Hunter chilling to join we too. And we want Hunter to stay tuned and things like that. Because this your show where I give you a little bit of preview of what Hunter can tune into on the internet. To this your jewelry art exhibition with we brother Trevor Brown. We're there right here in Brooklyn, New York, and going all around the world. Now speak the truth through the camera lens. So let me see what Hunter can see. Make sure you email me so that we know what Hunter to see in some of this your work. And we hope that Hunter children will go out Jonah and be one iconoclast on ourselves after this show. If you ain't know what it would mean by now, please y'all take the time to look them up. Okay? So we're glad if I have Hunter children here, and I the Queen Queen, head on the body of this show, Gullah Geechee Nation. And we thank Hunter children for joining. Because this year, the work going on.
So